Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube. We done finished this first car today. This is this Land Rover Velour. We actually just had to do maintenance cleaning on it. We clean this car probably once a month, every 2 months or so, but I'm happy I met this lady. I've hooked me up with three people that spend great money with me. They're very consistent. They actually became bi-weekly customers, so that's a great thing. But it was just a little bit of dog hair in here. She got like a poodle or Shih Tzu, something like that, because that's how the hair look. Not pug looking, but I love that white and black on the seats. I love it on the doors, things like that. But car looks great, got a shine. She's definitely gonna be super enthused with the work. Our next stop probably about 15-20 minutes from here, so we're gonna go ahead and hop in the van, head out, man. But y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. We finally got the drone back up and running, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw up, get a little footage, throw that on here too. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Man, we didn't finish this, we're not finished. We about to start on this Rivian right here. We gotta do an exterior cleaning, interior cleaning. Doubt if I get to my last appointment right now. It's already 3:40, sun goes down by 4 something, so you know, try to beat the time. But if you look at the exterior of the car, it definitely need a good cleaning. Look at the side of the car, definitely got a lot of road grind. Wheels definitely got a grayish look, but we about to go ahead and work on the exterior first. Interior not really that bad. Usually his cars have a lot of dog hair, but I see he don't have a dog in here, so that's probably gonna make it easier to clean. So we can go ahead and start on this exterior first. But you do see you got a little dog hair right there, stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. But y'all already know, man, take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Remember that, no matter what you're doing, man, you know, just take pride in it, man, because some people don't take pride in nothing. But on that note, man, let's continue to be great. Let's be great together, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, y'all. We didn't finish this last car today. Like I said, we had 2 other appointments, but as cold as it was, we couldn't get to the first appointment. And if you see the sun going down behind me, I don't have enough time. And let me see. My bad, man. I had to stop because my customer came talking. Look at my hand, look ashy, but it's really not. But you see it, man, it's 44 degrees, supposed to be 43. Supposed to drop down to 27 tonight. We already got the equipment. If you see tomorrow, the high 49. So that's the work of the week next week. But we already got scheduled for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We got something for the schedule Monday and Tuesday. We're gonna start working on the schedule for next week. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. I always try to tell y'all, man, y'all have to take pride in whatever you got going on, man. Because the moment you give up, on it, that's, I don't know what. Well, I hope he got it on this key, because the door locked and the key sitting right there. But hopefully he got it on this thing. But we about to go ahead and get out of here. Sorry I couldn't show y'all the inside of the car, man. But like always, y'all stay great, and we're gonna be great together, and I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, man. Like one love thyself, man. Y'all know y'all can't love nobody even not loving yourself, man. Like always, man. Peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.